Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one more question which came in the Wipro written test previously. These kind of questions will help the students who are preparing for Wipro and other company written test. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Look at the question. Secret Message Agency provides message encoding and decoding services. Secret Message Agency is one agency. What are kind of services they are providing? They are providing message encoding and decoding to transfer the data securely. Okay. The first step in decoding process is removes of special characters and white spaces from the message. So in the decoding process, they have to remove the special characters and white spaces from the given message. So now what they are asking, write a C program to find the number of special characters and white spaces in a given message. So look at here, the input, they have given a one message called as Parnika hash white space tutorials. Now what is our duty is that we need to count the total number of special characters and also white spaces. Now how many special characters are there? One special character is there and another one is white space, because capital P, small a, R, N, all these things are alphabets and these are the alphabets. So other than alphabets and digits, what are the symbols we are getting? We will call it as special characters, and white spaces we will call it as a white spaces. So we have one special character and one white space, so totally we are getting the output as 2. So what we need to do is that we need to count the characters other than small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, and digits from 0 to 9. Any other characters we are finding, either white spaces or special characters, we need to count them. The logic is very simple. Now let me write the program for you. As I need to write a C program, I need to include the header file called stdio.h, which is a standard input output header file, and I need to write the void main. Main is a predefined function. Every function will have the return type. If I specify the void there, this function does not return anything. Now as I need to read a string from the user, I need to declare a character array of whatever the size. Give me that size is 100. Then I will declare two variables called count and I will initialize them zeros. Now first I need to ask the user to enter the string. Okay, enter the string, and I will use a escape character which is backslash for new line. Now I will use a getS function and I will specify the name of the array. Then you can ask me, sir, why you are not using the scanf? If you are using scanf to read a string, the scanf function, the white space will act as a terminal. After white space, whatever the characters you have, it will not read. But here we need to read the characters after the white space. So that's why I have used the getS function. Okay. Now once it is done, I need to traverse till the end of the string. So a of I not equal to backslash 0, because you know that each string will ends with a backslash 0. The backslash 0 is useful for you to recognize the end of the string. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to write a condition. If, okay, a of I greater than or equal to small a, logical AND, a of I less than or equal to small z, this entire part, logical OR, either it is from A to Z or capital A to capital Z. Small a of I to greater than or equal to capital A, logical AND, a of I less than or equal to capital Z. Okay, or it can be either A to Z or capital A to Z, or it can be digits. So a of I greater than or equal to digit 0. Now you can ask me, sir, digit it should be 0, but why you are giving it as a string, not as a character? Because when you are reading it as a string, even the 0 will be considered as a character. Okay, so a character usually will enclose within a single quotation. and it should be less than or equal to 9. Okay, this whole part, now this is very important. Let me, I have opened, I closed. This one I have opened, I closed. This entire part, you can keep it the braces. Okay, this is your condition 1 logical OR, condition 2 logical OR, condition 3. So I think everyone know the logical and logical OR. Now if you look at this condition 1, again it has the two sub conditions, condition 1 and condition 2. If both the conditions are true, then only the entire condition will be true. Whereas logical OR, if any one condition is satisfied, then the entire condition will be true. But what we want here, it should not be not, because if I find a character other than small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, or digits 0 to 9, then only I need to count them. So what I will do is that I will write count plus plus, okay, and also I will write I plus plus, because I need to increase it. Initially I value is 0, so first it will check whether P is satisfying this condition or not. If it is not satisfying, then I will increase the count value. Then I need to look at the A, so that's why I need to increase the I value. So I will close the while loop. Once the while loop is closed, I can find the how many special characters and white spaces are there in the variable called count. So that one I will display. So I will write printf %d count, or you can write a statement is that the total number of special characters and white spaces in the given string is %d and count. Then you can write the get ch and you can close the main function. So this is the program for you to useful to find the number of special characters and white spaces in a given message. I hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, or if you want to write it another way, it is well and good. So if you think that, sir, instead of this one I can write in a better way, so write that program and give it me in the comment section. I will verify whether it is right or wrong. If it is wrong, I will tell you where you have done the mistake. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubts related to this concept or related to this program, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.